Hello guys, campus placement are around the corner. You must be thrilled as well as anxious about your job. What role will you get? What will be your package? What will be the interview process? You must be having these and many such questions. And answer to most questions will depend on which industry you go and which company you choose. We have some tips to help you make the critical decision. Number 1. Choose your industry or sector. Whatever is your stream, you have multiple options of industry. For example, if you are a computer engineer, you can go to IT services, software product, aerospace, automotive, or medical equipment. You might be making a video game or a flying plane or saving lives through innovation. So it is important to choose according to your passion. Changing industry later can be a difficult proposition, though not impossible. Number 2 is growth potential in the company. Whenever it comes to picking a company to work for, one must be opportunistic. Evaluate the company's potential for growth, as it is important not only for the company's overall success but also for your specific functions. Always think, is this a position where you will get the opportunity to work with the greatest people in the organization as well as the clients? If you stay in the company, how long will it take you to reach that level? Suppose there is a company that pays you well initially, but the growth potential is very less. Then you might not be happy in that organization for long. So it's better to look into this in the starting. Number 3. Find your passion. Passion is a feeling of intense enthusiasm or compelling desire for someone or something. Since every day you will spend at least 10 hours or more at work, it can become demanding and dull if you don't appreciate what you are doing. Monday blues can get real, and perhaps expecting one to grind when they wake up on Monday morning is too much to hope for. Getting up and going to work with a disgruntled demeanor is not ideal. As a result, make sure your careers align with your passion and skills. In many cases, the first couple of years might be tedious. However, there would be plenty more stimulating and well-paid work after that. In that instance, you must decide whether the initial boredom is worth the subsequent rise. Number 4 is work culture. Good work culture is one where employees are continuously encouraged to work as a team, have each other's back, and bring the best outcome in every way possible. People who have had earlier work experiences understand the importance of good work culture, regardless of whether or not they consciously try to develop it. Every organization has culture and reputation. Consult with the colleagues in the business or former employees to determine whether the company's work culture is one that fits you. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to create the ideal work environment. However, it is critical that you understand what works best for you and whether or not your organization can support it. Number 5 is pay scale. A pay scale is a system that determines how much an employee is to be paid as a wage or salary based on one or more factors such as the employee's level, rank, or status within the employer's organization, the length of the time that the employee had been employed, etc. In the end, the most important factor is the salary package. The package is something you should absolutely consider. Examine how the salary rises over the next few years to see if it is worth it. Even if the starting package is below the ordinary average offered, but once again, in the 10 years, a career in any field will be so lucrative that money will not be a problem to consider. As a result, don't make it the most crucial consideration in your mind. Giving each of these priorities a weight could be one method to approach this entire process of choosing a company for placement. The weights would be determined by how important each factor is to you. Once you have made your decision, you will know that you will most likely be sitting on campus recruitment for this company or group of companies. After that, relax and prepare for assessments. Talking of assessments, do you guys know what is the best way to assess someone? Yes, mentorship. And what is the best place to find mentorship, you ask? My Social Capital is the answer. My Social Capital is an online platform that provides free mentorship from hundreds of industry leading people. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now for free to mysocialcapital.com.